Athi ufuna uba nesithembu umuntu ukhona u5 blocks.
Khona abasifosayo nalo 5 blocks.
Ngicabanga.
Khona abafosa isithembu ngo5 blocks.
Braz. Uzothatha isithembu.
Vusa umuzi kababa. Ya bese manje denesikhathi sokudlala.
Amanzi afosta la. Ngicabanga.
Thank you bro, thank you people one.
Hayi wena. Nami sekucalile lo mfethu. Welcome to the Ins Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Sibuyile lesithathu amajita wayisho lushulax. Danke Shulex.
Thank you majite.
Shout out to Shulex. Akekho namhlanje nomjakadula Mr. Loverman indoda eshadile. Yena ndoda committee la ngazi ngathi indoda eshadile. Jakadula akekho namhlanje but ngihamba ngedwa ngihamba nama-out Purple Shepherd lo imashe kakhulu
Dwana Satoshi.
Thank
you majite. Awusababongi manje.
ukhalani amathekeni mangihlala danke mashite baby awe mashile bathi mashile meme sokugate la mashile
Thank you
subscribe aye uthi danke mashite bengasubscribe la please do subscribe, share, and also like and follow. Please make sure that even in the comment section you tell others to subscribe. Let's push this movement, and we would like to say thank you once again for supporting us, man. As we push the numbers, fundament we are 100K bafethu by June. Akwazi ukuthi simashe kancane kanje, sinpush eli content blind kanje every week siyanfeeda. Come on. Come on. Imashi. Hambi ngento izobrazi gundile irazo li fresh linaba.
Thank you for the coffee bean.
Thank you for
the kunjani.
Imanu.
No.
Ayikhova ngizam namhlanje.
No.
Akhumbule. Lo mayipuli lo shayina. Okhipha kancane. Manu.
Shaka.
Thank you Zala. Thank you. Butena Cruza.
Thank you for the coffee.
Ladies and gentlemen, what's the boys and girls uThedi Wakanzama, also known as uThedi We Coffee.
No punches.
Thanko.
Wow, lezi nombo.
Hayi le nombolo zethu. Ngizwe sengingena ngathi wabhontshisa.
Hey.
Thank you majite.
Umnyakaziswa.
Thank you majite. Welcome to the Ins Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Ikamukanyiso Nkomo, you co-host. Thank you majite. Mashile.
Shout out, man.
Majeka good.
Kundeni, bro.
Bese. Ekugcineni bekumele kwenzeke. Akukwazi ukufika ngitshela abantu ukuthi ngizokhula. Ingibuzile enye ngihlangana naye lapha yathawuba bese awukakhulina manje. Back. Ngiyayicitha le bazothi bengisuka bangibize ngomademu.
Shisa abantu.
Thank siyabonga abafethu.
Abafethu nesesiyibeka
podcast engakho. Namba sho
Siyabonga,
dade podcast engakho. Yinwa yakho la mashitela.
Thank you majite. Thank you abafethu.
Yeah, shout out, man. Seeing this week, what you think of announcement yesterday? Podcast. Ilokuzane le make cheers.
First and foremost, so shout out to Postcards and Chill Network. Abethu bafethu ibhanya isethani ayichoma nibeka le. Intwana encane nje esemzansi yabona ukuthi no. Unanga umthetho umthetho la. Ngoba manje iTV kahle ayiseyona indaba yokudlala. Yabo? Shout out to Podcast and Chill Network. Hayi ke yathi mayidropper. Ongababona beshaya announcement yathi mayidropper. Idropper ngezikhathi zokula. Ivideo ngiyibone sekumele ngilale mfethu. Hayi ngathi ngiyayihlalela ngiyayibuka fa. Eyihlalela kanje kiyo. Phela kumele mfethu. Awukwazi ngabuki.
Yeah, of course.
Kwenzeka izinto ezinhle awukwazi kuba ihate
No, you
Kumele
can't.
uhlale nje ubuke
No, you have to.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ubuke, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a really great move. It's a very uyibuka from the outside, very good move, very very strategic move. Because uyambona ukuthi
Yeah.
bekuyi statement kahle kahle.
Sure,
Kwa ile event bekuyi statement. But mina ngithe mangiyibuka mfethu angazi noma bekenziwa ama fears ami yabo. Kodwa ngithe mangiyibuka ngikhumbuza imabala entertainment, imabala noise. Yabo. La introduce khona wonke ama celebrities
Khumbula futhi. Siyakhumbula la nombolo.
yakhumbula uMr Sibe nama deal of 5 million
Line up.
dela into
Amalembo chief.
hey
Shawindwangu.
iyona ke into engithe mangiyibuka yafika izefiya ukuthi efethu ngathi ngangabi iyaziphinda ihistory kanje yabo because that thing if ihamba grand fethu
Sure.
nathi fethu uyabona ukuthi afethu
Sure.
hawu abantu asadingi ichaza fethu ama investors nama advertisers ayayibonela ukuthi fethu ama podcaster yaspana
yabo 100%.
yes but kodwa uyibuka fethu yasho yes so into engithe enye engithe bangiyibuka ngathi ngaphakathi ngathi I so wish fethu ukuthi lento esiyibonayo ngaphambili they put as much investment or as much effort kwi talent behind the scene yabo
Sure.
the reason why I'm saying that ne kwizinto i-traditional media because now usengena kwi-space esingazo si traditional media or radio or TV or newspaper yabo la majita le ampahla it does not by chance
Yeah.
kwakune psychology deep behind zonke izinto that's why bayakwazi ukusimanipulate singakwazi singaboni so the psychology was deep even na kwi-talent ababeyisource i-talent was not yayingasourced because of just ukuthi no i-TV yayikwenza umuntu umthande ngenkani and still ikwazi ukuthi ukwenza ukuthi umzonde ngenkani umuntu mephuma e-TV babe naleyo power ukuthi i-celebrity bayayenza lento abayenza nase-US i-celebrity bayamanufacture phambi kwakho bayifaka industry puppet baphinde bayicishe futhi bafake same thing because bona khona umuntu orun i-puppet show ngemuva so izinto ezikanjalo ngithema ngiyibuka fuck ilampahla yemabala ukuthi uyabona ukuthi they have the greatest talent but now what about the supporting structure behind because that's the information engeke sibe nayo yebo
So I think he's got it, you know. I mean, I don't think you build something like that, man, ungenayo mfethu structures grand, you know, behind the scene. Because I also feel like umuntu ngathi uyalalela, you know what I mean? And so I feel like asithemba ukuthi hayi ngemuva unabantu abasolid, you know, and uyayazi into ayenzayo, you know. I mean, he wouldn't be around kuzokuba manje if I asked that, you know. And for the fact that now he has built a whole entire network and he's got different talent and also it's so much money that has been pumped. We on the network tells you no you khona lapha bethi fire serious because ngeke alandela abantu abanjani if you ayikho
money
and uzoba holela indaba okudlala, you know. So what I was saying earlier on is that I think make you say I understand the whole online market, you know, with operator kanjani and it operate based on attention, and attention is the new currency now. That's why even abantu fethu abalokuzila aba-edile kwi-network ukuthi abantu abanama numbers are serious and abantu vele fethu aba-controversial online and are very vocal abantu abangenandaba. So also uyayibona lo nombolo ukuthi yona driver, you know, i-traffic and then yona ezomlethela inyuku because phela manje laba abafaki imali ngamasibobu bafaka imali because bafuna le attention ya online because yabona ukuthi yabajumpela kwezinye indawo. So paying for ama-ads great, it's a waste of time because nobody listens to radio now. So you need the attention like on and you must put your money there. So and also it's like lento isho ukuthi he's really setting a bar ngendlela ukuthi even all podcasters now they need to run like professional. They need to pull up their socks, even not like I mean there's a mash
as well as
you know because if it's I'm kama mangite njana bethi yakhuthaza, you know, moyibuka ngempela it's like wow, this is really good and it's possible, you know, for intwana bethi aqale ngemic eyodwa nje ne laptop bethi ibhedela and to what it is today to a network esiqasha abantu abangaka fethu and it's gonna drive revenue serious mawubuka if from Monday to Sunday. And abantu vethu manje vethu they're online most of the time, bro. And therefore, if kukhona vethu ama-shows azobenza sure ukuthi they're gonna keep them glued on their Lokuzana high. Mashile, chief. You know, so a big shout out to Podcast and Chill and their no make chizita siyabona Raz siyabonga.
Sineliphakamisa iflake uthini Titi ve?
Mina kunako okuningi bafethu le mpahla ngizwa ngani yabo. Engayibonanga.
Umuntu vele we-internet ongayangena.
Yabo ngiqala ukuyibamba ngani la but bethu for umuntu wakizi umuntu omnyama shout out to him yabo. And njengoba nisho ukuthi khuphulile iflake kakhulu and unika nentwana eselokishini ithemba ukuthi it's possible. Yabo. Nawe faka umqondo whatever le ufuna ukuthi uyenze angithi yabo bese uba ne-consistent ne-discipline kuyona it's possible uzokhona ukuthi na uphumelele ngelinye yabo singahlali silinde izinto esingazazi ukuthi izofika nobazizo nobanini yabo asiqale senze so yeah shout out to them mfethu basebenzile.
Yeah, also nabazali facility nabazali I think abazali bethu penally tendency ukuyithatha kancane impahla yabo a podcast and people think it's just sitting on the mic khulume. No, like serious.
No, but sorry ukuphulumla. But kubazali bethu mfethu. Ukukhumbula ukuthi lezi zinto that we are exposed to manje bezingekho ngesikhathi sabo. Angithi yabo khathini sabo dokotela iphoyisa uthisha unesi angithi yabo lo. So if you're not doing lezo zinto lezo okunye nokunye mfethu kuyabathusa yabo up until beyibona lento leyo oyenzayo iphumelela okwenzeka something ukuthi okay kukhona ngempela so they just need first leyo convincing to lento sukuyenza ukuthi ngempela ayinayi lento kanje yakhuleka mina le ngikhuluma ngayo nami ngiyazi from e-time angithabo with lo mkhakha ngikona wekhofi na mfethu azwananga mangithi ngifuna ukuthatha le ndlela angithabo but as eyibuka ngikhula kuyona and izingithathi ngisale ukuyoshala impahla mangibuya abamba no ethe impahla iyona eseqinisa ke manje kanje make sure ukuthi kanje idingani
but we excuse kanjani leyo nto ethe bazalini ama careers diverse and silly and stupid kanje vethu because it's there but who's gonna make them understand because I think it's their own responsibility nabo to equip themselves because said kunentwana netalent lokudlala iskateboard kunentwana netalent lokudlala ibicycle kunentwana netalent lokuhike vethu lokushaya ifree what ama talent ama careers are diverse nabazala bake baye ukubuka lezi ngongoma zeindaba lezi indaba lezi abayibuka as tragic bake bazi equipped if get after come on but do you understand ukuthi intwana manje ngaba passionate ngokushayela igusheshe buku semsemi ithe career ithe wena manje kumele uthi uyozama ukubuild icareer ubuzochazela nomzali
izo wena mfethu
sure
njengamanje we-age yokuyona angithayizwa lona khona abantu abangangaba abazali le message uqeda ukukhuluma ngayo i-direct
konjena kayena umzali
awukwazi
uba
sorry
uba
wena
ngithi ukhuluma nothini sonke phela la it's not like now
sonke vele
it's not like bro wethu umzala
ke ucheck phela mina
so good bekumele asikhuluma ngale mpahla zona ama expert
so abazali bethu mfethu it's a bit tricky or hard for them badala mfethu
sure
ezwe lona badala abazali bethu ngalendlela ukuthi bona futhi kusayi TV abekho ku social media kangangala abazali manje laba abazali manje they are exposed to lezi ingane zabo futhi seyingena nasey'koleni ethize we evezayo ukuthi okay akuphelele ebholeni yabo khona nesport esukuthi nesukuthi nosuku angithi yabo lo ezinye baqala ukuzizwa manje angithi so laba abazali manje it's easy for them ukuthi
okay yabo nje basikhuluma la ku podcast whoever is gonna get access to this thing, lo muntu angakwazi ukuzi-equipta lowo mzali. Because akho ngane yokhombisa oledi le clip.
Yeah, also now.
Lo muntu engikhuluma naye lo muntu obuka ama-podcast. Umzali thina umdala noma umncane noma yintwana ene-access ekwazi ukubukisa. Noma yabona lo oledi mase likwazi ukutuna in kwi-frequency yokuthi kunama-podcast. Alitune in kwi-frequency yokuthi libe aware ukuthi kunezinye izinto kunamanye amakariyeri.
Futhi oledi elibuka i-podcast.
But uyayizwa le nto engisho wena usucabangela umagogo obuka indaba
phela abazali
so asikhulumi naye vela ngeke aze asibone nokusibona. Respectfully ngeke aze asibone. Ngeke aze asize nokusiza.
Okusalayo into ebalekile ukuthi nangu MacG is a good example. He's doing a podcast. Look what is happening now. So intwana even nabazali ababona bazobona lempahla yaspan na MacG.
Fethu naku singama-photograph naku ibarista naku abazali fethu abakwazi ukubuka ama-podcast ababona ukuthi kunentwana engavele iboniswe ngokwenza igqoko and make millions out of that or billions.
La uyibeka kahle abazali sebekhona ukwazi ukubuka i-podcast.
No, because vele ngikhuluma kwi-podcast vele ku-standard ukuthi ozobuka le clip uno-TikTok mhlawumbe lo mzali.
Nathi siyaveza phela ezinye izinto fethu angithatha.
Asikhulumi fethu nogogo othanda ukubukela indaba.
Bezela umakhulu ukuthi ekuse buka nangutisi. Angithetha nangutisi. But akayibuki. Angithi yabo but i-clip. Umshana gogo
uyabeza bathi
ngutiso emvezela. So into kanjalo snippets. So lo muntu akekho exposed still because akazi ukuthi ukhuluma phi yena ubona yabo ezwe ngumshana ukuthi TV
uthi do you understand ukuthi abazali bethu abamnyama most even eAfrica basenayo leyo belief lokuthi ama-careers labo wabala even eAfrica like basacaba not just eMlazi kwaMashu eSoweto eKokstad eNewcastle eLadysmith or no Africa Nigeria Kenya abazali basacabanga nje ukuthi if awubanga udokotela mntanami hamba uyoba uthisha if awubanga uthisha hamba ubunesi if awubanga dude kunentwana eblind ngeskuta thithi engahamba iyosponsorisha uRed Bull ishama million same fethu igusheshe
yeah because we are exposed lezo zinto that's why sikwazi ukukhuluma ngazo ukuthi manje sekukhona intwana engashama million.
Wena uzokwenza njani vele intwana yakho mase uzokwenza njani
ngifaka yonke
expected
sengiyasho futhi awubona
kanti wenza njani intwana yakho
wena uzokwenza njani ngentwana
wena intwana yakho uzenzeni
wena Shapira usevele wakupha kuShapira futhi kumele sicoce madala sakhe isibusiso vele ingane receive brawa
receive to ka receive
bra
but kodwa trick le ambahla umzali intwana yakho mfethu vele kuqhamukele nawe necareer obscure ngendlela ukuthi ubungayazi ivele ifuna ukwenza icareer out of it. Yazi kukhona ezinye intane nokuyibona online zishaya i-ant farming. Uyacabanga intwana yakho izovela ifike wena ithi baba ngicabanga
finishana amagama qala
baba ngicela ukuba i-vlogger. Uyahleka uthethe uyahleka uthini isibani
umancane
afocus esikoleni
hawu
ave funda vlogger kanti uvala uspeed wesibili
lapho khona intwana mfethu peanuts la ntwana leyana usesikoleni lamshana kodwa
share content emashaya
semzansi leyana hayi lamshana
Uyacabanga picture lo manje Shapira.
Yeah, no, but I think Parliament, you need to understand this guy just relax on, man. Things have changed, bro. You know, if you don't want to adapt, look what make like as low kunmala effect. Look what
wena kunmanga nje. What has
was my anjan.
Umchipa.
Let's try la no tampe. We are riding on
right, DJ.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ayibuzana manje. Losiphinda nabo manje. Bazosijwayela. Sesibahruntile phela grand right man. But yeah, the show if it's ukuthi abazali they just need to adopt and understand the culture spills. Things have changed. And if you don't want to adapt, how uyasala. So that's why even now we need to work hard because even if inganakithi ufuna ukublock kube nankinga ngoba ulambile inkinga ube nenkinga njengoba ulambile that's why ungafuni nganaki vlog ngoba phela uyibola nje lotho child ukuthi awuyangikhipha ekhupekele ngayo yabo kanti mawusipanile nje umzali uright awunankinga noma kuthiwa bethu ithi ufuna yawona
wait because nanzi question yabo lapho nanzi question efika ibe ghost ke Shapiri wena yabo manje you are building your own wealth ne lo legacy ufuna isale noba
vlog
no into
ufuna isale ne vlog
na into yeah but at the end of the day wait angaqethi ngajaha
okay
bethu mina bethe abantwana angifuni bethu kuyiforce ngithi hamba othintsini ifethu ufuna ukubloga bethu sharp dog vlog but at the end of the day you need to understand like inyuku yenziwa kanjani yabo then ufuna ukuvlog hayi vlog chief yabo anginankinga yabo kwamanje ngeke ngithi bethu hayi ungavlog ungashaya skateboard hamba yoba udokotela ngoba la ngilambi hayi no you must know ukuthi ithama dog lisha kanje inyunga lenze kanje lenza kanje if you wanna continue with lempahla la idladlelo or noma ufuna ukuyilook grand sharp that's it yabo ngeke futhi ngithi hayi hamba ngoba hayi ukwena chief
ngimajiphathi bese ngeka
uzayibhubhudla le nombolo
imafetha kekho clean
wait let me tell you something Prince. I want once you've created wealth you have to build a system that intwana even if makuthiwa ziyazalo aziyibhubhudla imali but they following through a system leyo yakhile ukuthi if ever they're getting paid whether it's dividends or they're getting paid with whatever amount of money that they get monthly whatever but you are building a system ezokwazi ukuthi even now iba outlive wabona even with nengane zabo you know what I'm saying so lapho awunankinga but if wena uzoyirun into ngokuthi hayi no bazophila kule mali oyisebenzile uzolimala phela mazoyilenza kanjalo eventually vele bazoyivithisa ke leyo ngoba phela bayazi vele aka understand imali uthe yani uyithandela ukuvlogger uzoyishalo mali but if you build a system ezokwenza ukuthi even naye noma kuthiwa ucabanga ukudayisa izinto akwazi ukuyidayisa because these things they belong to whether it's a trust or whatever he cannot touch those things then you are safe but if kwawena nje mfethu uma uyithame ezokuthatha inyuku uthi hayi noma ngishona now 5 million mntana mozowuthola uzovithiza phela lo 5 million but when you need to run your household like a corporate wazi ukuthi ubeke nje structure sithi lempahla izomasha kanje kuze ngabe khona umuntu ozoyidalela then uzoba credit
ngisho noma sekethanda naye ukuhlupheka ngeke akwazi
ngeke yabo because
no Shepherd is thinking big Shepherd is thinking way big he's thinking wealth investment
of course because I'm protect
but still mayisangena ngalendlela engela ngayo
hayi awukho but still lapha usuku uyisethaphile system
yes uyisethaphile igrand it doesn't mean ukuthi akayibhubhuli in a way
angithi wena uyisetapha ukuthi nje ayibhubhudle
ayibhubudleki inyuke njalo
ngisho noma usuthanda ukuhlupheka awazi ukuhlupheka
engakuzwa ukuthi ngithi uyisethe ngokuthi uyithola ngalendlela ayithola ngayo
yeah of course
asithi for example ngenyanga uyithola kanje akuzi lo mzombuzo
lo
Shepherd ezolo leyo mali leyo engena ngalendlela engena ngayo ayiququdwe inyangeni
sure okwakhe lo
ayiququdwe
but ngeke ahlupheke kodwa
uzabhubhudla still
ngeke ahlupheke
uright konjalo ingane yakho
uzoyovloga
akavloga ayidli imali lababo
uzoya lapha eFlorida lapha ngasekhondeleni ngemove lapha
ayidli imali lababo akuright
abethi ayikho
asikwazi ukushizisa izingane zethu
ayikho kodwa into ebuhlungu njengaleyana Shapiri
but there's nothing you can do
yabo leyampahla leya yabo leyampahla Shapiri
but uzokwenza njani
yabo leyampahla ngathi mangiyibuka ngathi abazali bethu they work so hard so that we can afford to get drugs and alcohol and drive fancy cars
yes
uyazibona lezi ntwana maziqhamuka lapha imoto eserious
7 series 750 Li ligquma ingoma
Executive Lounge shaya igqomu lokugcina ngci
Kwenziwe njani?
ishuka inkantini kanje iyodwadla entweni yithi yes Shepherd sisebenza kangaka lezita
Lifuna kwenziwe njani bafethu? Zithini ke?
7 series ephi
Kwenze njani?
Ishigqom ishuka kanje tane yami ilal yehlisa amawindi wonke Executive Lounge ihleli ibamba umfratizi iza kanje
Usebenzile chief. Sebenzile
that
ithatha.
was pain god
Yeah, phela
Ah, that
uyibuka
was
vele.
pain.
Mina uyibuka vele ibhlungu wena mfethu. Ngeke ngabi kobhlungu yabo moya ibuka, but ekugcineni mina mfethu I prefer that nokuthi ilambe. Mina I prefer that ukuthi at least ayikwenze konke lokho kodwa ayilambe chief. Ayilambile. That's me.
okay so kunama ngiyakuzwa ne I completely understand oh no not that I completely understand but ngiyakuzwa but how can we then balance this thing yakho ukuthi while you build the wealth ububuild intwana zakho
Sure.
maybe uzipha ama fundamentals are right
Of
such
course,
that
that's very
noma usuhamba
Yeah.
uyishiya at least nazo they can self sustain
Yeah, of course.
they do not have to feel pressures of the world but they can sustain themselves as well
100%.
babe abantu abaright bakwazi ukuenjoy impilo ngendlela ezi-right not to the extreme yabo
that's why-
intwana imihalelo ukubhubhudla imali
Yeah.
ngokuthi kuma-vacation okanye i-travel umhlaba wonke that's that at least
Yeah, that's why I
but
said
ukuthi
earlier.
size sithi imenze ama-drugs that's
No, that's why ngithe kuwena earlier kumele into uyi-expose ukuthi imali yakho yenza kanjani. Because that's how you want to teach them ukuthi okay, this is how you make money. This is what you do. This is what I've done. That is better. Because lapho uyayifundisa futhi into ezohamba nayo for life even noma
but uma usukhulume nge-wealth shepherd le yama-shares noku-investa khumbula ukuthi wena awusenzi lutho lapho yabo uma ususetapha ama-shares nama-invest
ngiyakubona lokho.
usuke usungasenzi on the
Ngiyakubona
ground even nawe izinto ey'ningi usuke usungasaziyo
ngiyakubona lokho. Sengikhuluma in terms of like how do
that's
you
your
imali
money.
Yeah,
yazenza
ngiyakubona. No, ngiyakubona lokho mina ngikhuluma indaba how do you teach them to get cash flow?
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
That's what you need to teach them with this is how I make money. Logo investors, those are because you cannot invest on cash flow, chief. You gotta have a cash flow. So you teach him, bro, if you wanna have money, you sell a skill or you purchase something of a value, whatever. Then you get money. Then from there, the money it's all must make you more money by buying 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 or doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 so that I understand yenziwa lezi ntwana ezinye zawo ngoba zenza kanje ngoba ayifundiswanga ukuthi okay imali yenziwa musuyitholile uyenzani nga hence uyithola ezinye zabo fethu because itshela ukuthi ayivele kumele shaye
cela ungiphi ibhuku lami mfethu leli lapha ekamereni liyafasela ukuphazamisa
mina
leli la Nike
I don't think
mekethi
I don't
Lena
think
ekamereni
khona
lena
mfethu
isigcineni.
umzali ozoba nesaka bese ngayikelezisi intwana yakhe ukuthi senza kanjani.
ukhona
bakhona mfethu.
yabo that's why
Nqaba,
ngithatha
bra
lela
wami,
bhuku
nqaba,
mfethu.
chief.
yabona lela bhuku
Ngazi
mfethu,
nqaba
lela
nami,
bhuku,
bras.
yabona ngithe manje lisekugcineni mfethu
Yeah.
yezo
Vele ayishiye nje
no lo mtshito
athi hayi
lo mtshito
sengiyenzile
no
Uzodlalela.
ile nto ekade
No,
siyichaza
I get
even last week
ile
yabo.
nto is success chief. I wonder when you are still building. Abanye abantu fethu they go all out to do everything whatever it takes to make sure that their family is set. So they don't have time to tell them or sit them down to say okay kenze kanje kanje na kanje yabo because isikhathi abanaso. At that time they are going all up. Every opportunity corner they need to travel, they need to do all these things because bazama ukubuildela labantu. Then eventually ke maseke umuntu thola ukuthi seyagula whatever useyakhile yonke lento intwana yakhe akayitshelanga ukuthi yawo intwana nje vele ibone mfethu sekuphila buthebelele sekumnandi sekunjani then mase yashona.
yazi kwenzakalani kulento ku feel night yabona fethu ufika ubuild unayika ubuild the third and they worked very hard lamajita yabo amese azodayisa ama shares mase dayisa ama shares abe worth okay at the time abe worth 278 million yabo from there sinini seke mase iqedile ukudayisa seke worth around 10 million 10 billion I mean sengithi 10 million 10 billion intwana yakhe endala vethu throughout ebengekho present while ebuild unike intwana iyakhula ebengekho present. So with all this money intwana yona ibhizinisi iyarebhela isiyenza izinto zayo ayilazi timer ayiligcwala timer nje kanti kuzothi mfethu kusenjalo mfethu lo mjidi esayitshela ukuthi hayi vele ishona intwana ngashoni wena timer vele kushona intwana
kumele ukhandenye ke manje
Daki vatisha Daki zamasha ngomunye la yini ke at least I not too it Daki kahle Uyacabanga kodwa lempahla because manje lempahla uma ubuilda lezi zinto lezi eziserious kakhulu
awuwazi bese ungamasha ngosona
but isikhathi awunazi awunazi.
That's the thing, Teddy. When you have a vision, bro, ekwenza ungalali. Hey, brazo. Hey, it's not like I wanna unabantu fethu like bona labo or Phil Knight nabo Steve Jobs. Those guys, bro, mo bega malukuza now and how they those people, bro, don't sleep. And when they build, they sacrifices in day because Lentabayaka is not for them, bro. It's all the entire world. So ugcina fethi lapho isikhathi singasekho ngempela isikhathi sokuthi yabo
uvithize
yabo and ifethu manje lo muntu fethu ushadile nalento le and obsessed ngale mpahla le and kumele le mpahla le yenzeke ngalendlela yabo
no one mistake ifethu vele engazuthi nawe uma usilandela istory sakho uyabona ukuthi uma ungathi uthatha ibreak namhlanje imashini yonke lento bokuthi uyayenza imashini
hleleni nina nihleleni bengekho sobancane nazi indaba ezingako ukuthi make kwathi
futhi siqeda kubafunda manje mhlambe nje mase kuhle
make ahlangana lento nikuphanda manje nizoshiyela ba
manje uzomithizile nginakhuluma
ile njengangisho la dictate ukuthi thina sayigeja lempahla sayibuka rock ngoba kumele siqale la sithi tsa bese uhamba uyospa uwashiye nje noma bawu5 bayakhula ubhizuke
at least lapho thinki menge
ujuluke into ekhona ujuluke izifebe
wena nizalwa nibangakhi ibuke lapho phela ukuthi wena mangakho abasibliza ozalwa nabo bese uthi laba abanye banabani
Shapiri fan ngake ngabona Bitch, yabo sithemba ngikaze ngishalele Brahma ngishalele sithemba ngishalele yes
sure
clearish
sure ngalo
yeah hey brazo khaleli brazo Shapiri
khaleli
ngicela ukukuchazela mfethu yes imapeni ipoint yami awusazuyizwa
cha ngiyakulalela
awusikhaleli
hawu
why usho njalo
hawu awusikhaleli
why usho njalo
ayiqhubeka nepoint lapho
yeah manje
khuluma wedwa umafoni mkhulu
sure
ngaya ka Zuma ngaya ka Duma like imindeni lepra wami enesithembu enenyuka umuthi uyafika egcikeni ubone ukuthi mfethu le mali okuchachalela ukuyenza ngathi ufro yedwa ngeke akulungele ngoba ngathi ngeke wenze focus because it only makes sense uma usuyibona live mfethu nangu umuzi ka Fro oqala nangu umuzi afro nangu umuzi ingane ezukuthi nangu bonke mfethu GLE ini sharp nangu mfethu it only made sense then indaba yesithembu yabo hey ngasho ngathi okay kodwa isithina ngisihane but it makes so much sense
khona usikhalelayo
le mpahla omkhulu kaThedi ngayibona ukuthi mina nami ngingashayela nje kwamkhulu kaThedi Abafethu umuntu iphanti lakhe akasakwazi nokulibeka kahle ngoba phela nimgadini eyigadeni
Ngiyakhumbula.
abakithi kubona ukudlula manje amajide
Hayi.
akupicture khona Shapiro. It only made sense then that one.
Khona basikhalela lapha baholo 5 blocks. Athi ufuna uba nesithembu umuntu uhola 5 blocks.
Khona abasifosayo nalo 5 blocks.
Ngiyacabanga.
Khona abafosa isithembu ngo-5 blocks.
Braz. Uzothatha isithembu.
Vuza umuzi kababa. Bese amajide nesikhathi sokudlala.
Amanzi afosta la mfana. Ngiyacabanga. Ufuna uthatha isithembu.
Amajide afosa. Uyayicabanga lo headache.
Yeah, bethu. Honest man bethu ananye into ezinhle.
Izinto wena umthandeni unkosikazi wakho into enhle.
Bro, akekho mfethu umuntu ongamthandeli unkosikazi wakhe into enhle. Akekho. I don't think there's a guy out there bro omfunela unkosikazi wakhe nje uthabe nezinto ezinhle mfethu. You know, abe right, athandeke emphakathini, abuke. I don't think ukhona umshito njalo. You know. So nje mfethu I understand mina. But ke abantu mfethu into zabo abantu bane-faith shuthi unethemba ukuthi abakubo bazomsiza.
Bamwinisa ilotho. Hayi mama khululeke kuzolunga mama.
Yeah.
Kuzolunga. Because I think iqala lapho mfethu ekucabangeleni ufro wakhe izinto eziwusha.
Yeah, of course.
Icabangela udladla ushap,
Yeah.
icabangela ikari ushap,
100%.
icabangela istyle esiwushap.
Sure. I mean, about the show ichaza man about these families. I mean, we are about lamadoda lawa. They've thought this thing through and they've planned and they make sure they take care of their families. You know, abafazi babo baphila kamnandi, right? Because bala kumfazi ufuna ukuhlupheka mfethu. Angiboni khona nganye abantu nje mfethu sifuna ukushiya kubo. Yesithembini yoshizila.
Now ube grand ukuthi ufro wakho.
You know what I'm saying? So that's why when namafro ezeqala ke echitha kuba nzima ngoba amachita bafunela into ezinhle they go out and then ziyazo to fro ziyachitha ne-personal trainer.
Hey Shapiro, uyayipersonalize manje bro. Hayi Shapiro usuba personal. Hayi usuba personal. Uthi usuzamile simanje.
Yeah.
Avela chithe jimini.
Yeah.
Lapho uyamsupporta ngoba phela ukujima kwakhe kwenza ukuthi lo mzimba wakho ube usharp nibe grand.
Of course.
Uyayisupporta le mpahla.
Yenza yonke into.
Wenza yonke into ufiyazama.
Usuyashoda phela.
Kushuthi usewumchita shodayo.
Ashodisa lapha entweni.
Oyengakhe chita.
Sothi yini mhlawumbe engamenza ukuthi
Angazi. Okukhona wayebuza thina uthi chithelana. Mhlawumbe uyibambile ichitha noma mhlawumbe nje. Uyayibamba ichitha nje. Wayibuza nje ukuthi why uchitha. Mhlawumbe yakuchaza la ngento nawe wazayibona ukuthi yazi thini cha understand.
Ya mina abantu bangishaya nga understand mina bese.
Yayithini?
Awangishaya nga understand. Ngaqonda hey. Hayi ngaqonda bani. Hey, ngaqonda kakhulu.
wakuchazela.
Cha ngifuna ukuzwa kodwa.
Ngaqonda kakhulu thina. Yabona into okuchazela ubona ukuthi no. Yeah.
Zayikhala kuwena noma zazingekho kuwena.
Okay, ikanjeni igale shambuzi. It didn't make sense at all. Sisevava siyathandana no my sister. Uyizwa lento engishoyo? Ayikho into ekunikeza iidea yokuthi khona into wrong la. Abangani bakhe lo muntu ifoni yakhe ihlala kumina ifoni yami ihlala kuyena abangani bakhe banokumsendela ama message bathi mfethu unenhlanhla ukuthi ujola nonkanyisa. Athi baningi abanye unkanyisa la ngaphandle Yacabanga but kodwa abangani bakhe they were so hip ukuthi kwi relationship nami senza lento esiyenzayo. Ukukhombisa ukuthi le mpahla esiyasenza yayiwu sharp, yabo? Ngangiphanda ngangizama nami njengethu. Angangiyadinga ukuphanda because ever sithi nganginebhasari. Sure. Manje ighost isekuthenini edladlini la iqhamuka ngakhona ngiphela sihlanga nongoye mina esigoduki
Eish.
Edladlini eqhamuka ngakhona brawami kunentwana yasesontweni.
Abafana masebankela.
Uyasonta noma bhebe zingako ngimncane bethu uyasonta unomoya grand. Yazi ama-outhathini ngibatshela ukuthi njela nalo yathekeni bathikhanyisa cela uyiphathe kahle ingane yabantu ama-outer masho kanjalo bethu please do your best like kufana nokuthi nje bangihamba nawe social yami ungikhuza ukuthi
Mfethu phuza amanzi.
yeah into kanjalo sifana bethu edladleni kunalentwana esontweni iyajima intwana isigaqa iyathanda esontweni
Hombre. Ay no hombre,
Imano
tipo prisi.
So intwana igrand iyancanywa esontweni incanywa abazali bengane incanywa abafundisi incanywa namanye amathekeni asesontweni as a result intwana ethembakele
Sure.
nakuloyo thekeni banokuyinikeza itrans nje ithembakele uyayizwa leyo nto so abazali babehlezi beyiplantile idea kwithekeni ukuthi mfethu sengathi wena ungathi umushada ushada umuntu osontayo umjito osontayo yabo babemfisela nje lokho ngani yami so that idea again ayikazi iphuma enqondweni ukuthi noma ngathi izinto zami nonkanyiso zigreen kangakanani but unkanyisa akasonto not ukuthi akasonto ukuthi akasonto at all because ever sithi ngangisonto I grew up a Catholic even namanje ngisomcatholic as much as sengizazi izinto ezenzeke eRome but ngisomcatholic yabo so umkatolike ke umuntu osonto emaromeni yes so but yena ngokokwabo kubo ukusonta nokukhola lokho kusonta yabo
Charismatic.
kumele kube khona upastor leya Christianity yabo pastor ngiyazi bizwa ngani
Charismatic churches.
yeah ematendeni noma yikuphi kodwa nje as long as khona upastor
Yeah, I'm a charismatic.
yeah so kwakuyilokho hayi langa linye walahla intwana
Ambithize.
mfethu kwalahla nabazali lento ukuthi abazali basayile esontweni ukuthi ayicela umhambise ubuye nemoto so that sizo buyela nayo emuva uhambise nezingane hayi intaba yaqala lapho ngibamba ku text yo manje so manje ke leso story sengisibambe after but manje ke mase ngimbamba ukuthi hawufethu kuzoyithini manje la everything kangisa yabo the day I met you angazi ngiplanele ukuthi ngizokujithela mfethu it's not like lento engenza ngenze intentional yabo wena manje musu personalize wenze ngazi ukuthi mina went out of my way
How? But you are emotional.
Emotional damn. Great, yes. Yes, yes, no, but lapho program ngayichacha to the game mfethu. Yeah. Ngayichacha to the game. Ikhama mfethu iyayazi ama address. Ighostile ukuthi iyayazi address sibani. So nami sikushaya awukwazi kuzenza ingelosi manje. Uzoshaya ngazi ukuthi wena awukazi. Kodwa ubewazi kahle ukuthi ngoba uyanoka lo mjito musikefikile athi shonka sengidila naye manje bro denjani
But I understand.
yeah I understand but the sad thing was that kokubhala ama exam serious
Yes. And they are affected.
no but lo exam ngayishaya ngo distinction we into ene career ne business angihlanganisi ke nomjolo ke bra wami namanje nje angikaze ngazihlanganisa zo2 umjolo ulimale wodwa le imali nesikole asambe ngisho noma ngathiwa phethi heartbreak yasho khala khona la ebhukwini okanye ukhale khona emsebenzini ngeke leyo ke ngeke brother hey wena ushaye heartbreak awubhukeki awusakwazi kuyoshutha abantu wena awusakwazi kubamba ama-meeting, awusakwazi kusenda i-invoice, awusakwazi kuyopresent ungazosidakela wena. Alinge nje, uhambe uyosebenza sibani. Ngiyacabanga uma uyivumela i-heartbreaking akushaya 6 months of i-heartbreak awuthini itsidi yakubhekisa phansi noma ikusa phezulu.
Akuyaphezulu one time.
Yeah, itsidi yakufuela noma iyakugqiba straight. Injalo wena kuma uyivumela kuyi-out ukuthi njalo uma uhlukana nentombazane uluze appetite uzoba senkingeni. Because ukhona umjito ohlukana nethekena lose i-appetite.
Exactly.
Angakwazi ukudla sibala azaci into serious kabi.
Yeah. No, but sobekugqimile impela.
But kodwa ngisho lento ngoba ngi-immune, but I've been fortunate ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngikhalele ziya ngakhona. Zithi zikhala zibe ziya. Ngala yeah. Uyacabanga?
Ngiyakona uyenze.
Sekuthiwa feyiswa yini ngoy. Sekuthiwa feyiswa yini mase sayintombi yami yangishithela. Imagine how many years ago manje sekumele ngikhalele leyo nto.
Nosikakaka.
Hayi nje ngayiphasela ngaba right heartbroken nje kwakushawa kwaku-cross nighter kwenziweni kunjalo still ayijiki le ayijikanga le mangiphuma kuyofunda ngihambe ngiyokhala kuyena kumabhebeza phinde ngiqhubeke futhi ngiyofunda futhi
le situation le uma umbamba khona mfethu netsotsi udila noba kuyi-out nomuntu wakho noma netsotsi yadekanga nayo
asiqale noShabir your own experience ungasizeni ngezinto zabantu naba ngendlela mhlawumbe wena wabona ngayo wadila nobani
But nomuntu wathi angaphinde isixoxo story but
xoxa sinye noma sisodwa
hayi leso
ozone zakushaya yaphantsha injini straight
no but heartbreak ibhlungu manje everything iqamba manje ithi ayikho bhlungu
hayi ighost
yashala
ngabe unamanga uthi ayikho
no yashala
ighost
ngabe kamsakazi
yeah but I think back then I didn't know how to deal with it, you know, because I wasn't equipped enough, you know, with the right tools on how to deal with such things, you know. Man.
Yes, mina thini ukuthi sorry Shepherd angifuni kulenza lela point bengathi ngangi-immune. Mina high school ngangizwana namajita ayibuka umjito okhalela ithekeni simbuke ngathi sinayi. So ngangingakwazi I couldn't afford to see myself ngihlulwa i-heartbreak. Even noma jita ama high school seke ngasekho. Ngangingikwazi kuyibona ngikhala sengilimaze intombaza. Yes, ipain izofika but deal na in a way yokuthi I affect ezinye izinto because you still have control. It's ibhlungu. It's the worst. It's one of the worst things that can happen. It's bad.
Yeah, but say if you don't have the right tools, you don't know how to control yourself. What do you want to?
Because it's again isuki wealth yakho phela mfethu.
Because phela uyenze yaba everything.
Yeah.
Ibekele phezulu. Then uqheme uhayi izinto ongayazi vele ubone ukuthi ngathi uzothi imhlaba avuleka ngayena.
Bayawushaya
vele uphakathi kona umhlaba.
Bayawuvula manje.
Vele uphakathi.
Hayi abanye bayamasha plus.
Ala nombolo yakusasa.
Hayi abanye bayawushaya.
Nahlezi ngisho wena ungaqhemi le hanto leyana awukaphile emhlabeni. Ukushaya ukuthi
kodwa itsotsi vele uma uyi-out uzodlula khona.
Yeah, no, uzodlula.
Uguaranteed.
Yeah. Lethe futhi isha amajita ashaya isinqa. Izinja ezithi ziyathinqiza
phela futhi
ikhona lengane nje
ezithiwa yeah
phela bro
baba
ufika lapho ekuthenini mfethu uze abanye benze kanjalo begcine sebevithiza because ubeyabithiza play okungqokozo umuntu kodwa hayi mbalo kwanisana nembeze
sho uyazi even if noma usunjalo yabo bakushaya waqhubeka wableed wathinthini kunale ngwabs le A1 ozoyithola ezokunika isinenene ngenye indlela ugcinisa ukukhetcha brazo yayizwa lo and ukukhetcha kwakho lokhu ukukhetcha ngendlela unga-understand kanjani
lapho ikhetha usayitshela ukuthi uloko
kanti masha
lapho itshela
kanjani bra mina ubusha ithi ingwabs
ayimasha
nawe yona kanti gwabs le
thetha amajita akiphinga neclubini ayishade
uyibothethi ayishade yaziwa
ukuthi unumber 6 jiya la ilishaya ngaphi khona la eroundini
nisebenza nonke
hoyibo
siqedile si-podcast
hoyibo
kodwa ushebhile usabona ukuyithrow
qamuka ushaphi ngiyaqhamuka nami ngithi thada
hayi bafethu hawu
asiphuca ibhola le
you understand
mukeqeda
igame lapho ngitshethi ngiqedile ngiqedile ngisaqhubeka uptime yaphuma ngikelkalandi nizolanda lapho nilanda kamnandi ke futhi manje sent
sesiyazi
relaxiwe like it's comfortable
and futhi ngiyisakhala ke kumina ngoba phela isikho into yakhona iqondile sokuvakasha
exactly
Daza uyicini.
No
ulibele ibambe ngeref. Awuyicini. Ulibele ibhala.
Bayaphalatisa.
Awukwazi wetha kakhulu.
No awukwazi.
Phela kuthi uyazi ukuthi ine traffic la. Kumele uyiphalatise. Awetha.
Mase kuvela ishoba lapha.
Lokhu
wetha kakhulu izokhala kuwe. Uyabamba ushaphile.
Uyawada weloko.
Nanga ke lama GT podcast enitshela ukuthi ongcwele. Ona. Yabo bayitshela ukuthi igame bayazi. Kodwa still ayasho mfana.
Ngakufika kumawa bro.
Ayasho.
So umango mpela.
Ayasho lampahla.
And there's absolutely nothing bro ongayisho laphana kumjita. And ngoba mfethu ufana village wethu le like umuntu oyibonela. Ngoba uzothini.
So ubhekana lento yakho.
Yazi mina I think khona enye inhlanhla enginayo mfethu ye self awareness. Cause ngiyakukhumbula mfethu khona enye heartbreak engangadila nayo yesibili. Yabo? While I was dealing with it, ngangifuna ukuyibona ukuthi uzokwenza kanjani. Like khona ivoice nje yesibili ethi athi sibone ukuthi uzokwenza kanjani ke kule. Mina yes. Okay. At every point, every step. Yabona nje ngimbamba, ngimthini kunento ethi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uyakwazi yini ukuyicontrol. Uzomshaya yini? Hayi ke laphana ke red handed kanje nomjita kanje. Kanje nomjita. Kanje. Ale ay dangerous kakhulu ke lapha nami. Ngathi bro mzikhipani la. Wathi kwenze kufokhona ngathi show ngathi my sister athi sithi wathi yakhuluma umjita ngathi uthe wena ngibuza intombi yami. Lapho out engiyibuka kanje. Ayisibindi uvela ungazi ukuthi usithatha apha intana encane namanje ubunga evasithi namanje ubunga gijimisa intana yasevasithi ingakubuka ngazi ukuthi niyalingana kanje so ke kuvuka ezinye isilwane lapha ngitshelo kanje brazo but ngangifuna ukuyibona ukuthi ngizofethu yabona at that moment ngaze ngaqhaqhazela nokuqhaqhazela ngiyibona ngisho ukuthi umshayi zobona kahle ubazo yini kuzothiwa wena udlule intombazane evasithi bezofunda la uzoshaya amantombazane. Do you understand? Into enjani? I always had that view yokuthi ngiyibona ukuthi wenzani manje noma usuganga uyakwazi ukuyibona ukuthi kanye usuyaganga manje wena.
Yeah.
Uyirong yaba lento icabanga ayirong ke lento yenzayo manje. Everything oyenzayo even nakulampahla leya nje babe ngisho ukuthi injalo bra wami wathi sibone ukuthi la uzokwenza kanjani uyayibuka nje ngazi ukuthi uyimovie so khona ama athanganayo leyo mpahla in a sense ukuthi ianger okanye those emotions they take control bra wami
not ukuthi abanayo
No, everybody's
banayo
yeah
but akekho aware
of
ukuthi ekuse kunento ethize ezama ukukhuluma nawo leso sikhathi avumele ukulidwa ienga onle mshanga leso sikhathi ekugcina ukube ngathi manje lento le ayisazwakala ayikho wena nale enga yakho bese ugcina wenza izinto ke manje othi mawuqeda kuyenza lento wrong bese funda ukuthi
immediately vele udamuke kanje
exactly
efethu ayangavashela umuntu umjita cela umunye out bethu ngimvashele ejele sephishe phathi kungibhezele ngomjita bethu ngifuna siyombona la ukukhuluma naye yabo ayisahamba phela la athi masifika lapha hey bofethi yaqhamuka le out mina hayi lo buso fethu kade ngibona phela mase ngiyakhumbula okay le out fika lapha mfethu abakhuluma nalomjita ngintroduce ekukhulunywa yabo hayi mina mfethu angikwazi ukuyibamba mina mfethu ngihlezi ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ayithi ayiseke ucala gozoyibuza leyo yabo ayavela ngaphesona ngathi kuseprize ukhambana athi hayi sharp futhi kodwa ngifuna iyibuza yabo mfethu ngisiphala namajita la yabo manje mfethu ngiyafuna ukunderstand ukuthi ama-art operator nje cela mfethu ungilande nje kwenzakala le nombolo yakho yabo eyi
bekwayini la
athi namjita mfethu ahleka thi uyafuna ukwazi ngempela ngithi yasho uthi mfethu imagine umuntu hlangana naye mfethu phumele elokishini yana lutho uyamthatha mlethe kuma-suburbs shayise lifestyle ugutshe lifestyle umthengele umagutshe usupport umndeni wakhe fundisa iy'ngane zakubo wenza konke mfethu taking care of her thengele this and that anything ayidingayo uyamnika uyamenza ushintsha nje impilo yakhe completely and then ebese yakufebela what would you do engathula yabo ngayibuka le out ngase ngayibuza nje umbuzo owodwa le out ngabuza wathi ucelile wathula mfethu ngambona umshita unyembezi lehlile ngathi mina hayi ngathi mina wacela
ukuthi wenze zonke lezi zinto oze
wathi no ngathi
nakya
ngathi yazi mfethu bengicabangele leyo that's a problem because we do things for abantu and then you feel entitled ukuthi siyaba owner so therefore we can do whatever or bayasikweleta you know so that was the problem because when you do things for umuntu uzenze nje mfethu ngenhliziyo yakho uwazi just because now uca lo muntu lo uyakweleta or uyam-owner you know so I think that's the biggest problem with a lot of amachita which when they do things for abantu babo they feel entitled ukuthi baba owner.
Can we analyze that deeper? Lempahla lokuthi umjita afike athathe ithekini bese afuna ukuyibeka kwi-level yakhe ngokwe standard sempilo okanye afuna ukuyenzisa izinto zakhe same applies ukuthatha umjita wangakini owukhule naye ngoba nakusekehlupheka umthatha ufuna ukuzombeka kwi-level yakho empowerisha then wasomempowerishile bese ufile ngazi ukuthi wena
akushaya emva kwenje
yes
ufile kanjani
ufila entitled iza
ukuthi wena yes
njengoba bacoshile kusho ngeke bakwenzele wrong ngeke bakujikele
that's a problem though you know that we
and usukile ushawo nembeza wakho na ukuthi ano hayi it's mean ithekeni yami angikwazi ngeke ithekeni yami igqoke Mr Price kodwa must blow nama out amathekeni ama out ashama LV nama Gucci ithekeni yami nayo ngoba naku mabhebeza bonje busujola nami hamba ushaya iplatinum wakho ushaya diamond wakho shaya yabo because ufika nami manje bantini kumele kubonakala and ufro wami ithekeni ayicelanga plus uyasho ikhumbule lempahla ukuthi wena oyicabangile
you decided ngokwakho mfethu and then wabona ukuthi kufanele umuntu umkhuphule because anything mina ngayifundisa kudala lempahla adlahle oledela nje lathi ntanami usiza umuntu expect anything usize ngenhliziyo yakho yonke even if kuthiwa uzeyakubetray whatever akakukhweleti lo muntu just help if you can and then move on zikhulule nje when you do things for abantu ukuthi ungazi bese ucawa bakweleta wena kuwenza izinto just because nakumele ubakhumbuze ubabambe ngazo or ubenzele izinto just because you think they will never betray you. At the end of the day, umuntu uyidecide la. People can just wake up today, chief, bakubetray. Umuntu bethu umtakulile wahamba naye mfethu.
Lapho Shapiri lo muntu akakubetrayanga mfethu. Lo muntu uyibonele athi balokhunjana bashayana. Abengabetray wena. Uthe makayibona lapha ehalela. Decision yakhe ehalela lapha.
Kahle so you
betray yourself. Okay. Isisele nawe ke manje wena ukuthi wena uyibuka
wena ila kanjani.
Wena ofila ngathi wena bewu-attackwa wena.
True.
Yeah.
Labantu abahlalanga abayiplana lempahla ukuthi athi sibetray uShepard.
True. True. I mean,
ngoba phela nawe unokwabona amathekeni uqhenyele Shapira.
Sure.
Na ithe mayibona le out hayi yalokhundi ubhontshisi uthi hey yasabela into enkulu. No phela ubhontshisi ethekeni uyanyakaza mase yilokhundile hayi come on phela ukuthi wena ubhuda bhontshisi.
hey. Strong language.
Language.
Hey bo. Yazi ke lapho uma wakhe ebuka le podcast.
Hey.
Okay, ngiyaqinisa ke.
Chef, ozoba chef nje uzo.
Cabanga clean kanje
Yakho
namhlanje.
ngcono ungashefanga. Nalento ephuma lo moshefiwe.
Hey mfethu. Hayi kuyonakala ingako mfethu. Hayi amandla amahambe nendivu. Shit. Yaza kunaka ngasibona. Buka mfethu. Bekumele ngikhumbule.
Where is the intelligent dude?
Imagine isif. Imagine lo kakhulu. Jabile Fadak mafethu. Yeah, but it and dangerous lempahla Shepherd because amajita amaningi ayayisebenzisa as an excuse, especially kuma case e-GBV.
Sure.
Especially kwi case e-GBV ayayisebenzisa le excuse uthi hayi nakuma comment abeza uthi afethu ngathi umthathe lo muntu wamenza.
So what?
As if ubuceliwe sibani.
Hey, so what?
As if manje ngoba usukwenze lokho usekuniketanga.
Uyashumuza.
Too much burning. How voice ensana kancane.
Voice ensana.
If my question is, if as a person you decide ungena whatever kind of union nomuntu uzinikele again, even with bit umngani bit whatever, so ubese ukhethe wena ukwenza an independent decision yokuthi uzoyenza into oyithandayo. You know very well ukuthi lento izohlumeza lo muntu ipartnership naye izowisa lento and whatever ni build that. And then lo muntu might say react. I don't have a problem with the other person chatting, but I mean I always have a problem with people having reactions to abantu abaze kahle ukuthi babehethe bazi. You went out wahlumeza umuntu and then for some reason you expect ukuthi lo muntu yena they must understand and be able to contain themselves kulento abafisa ukuyenza, but you couldn't contain yourself. Yayibona double standard just because the other things is yaboshelwa, it's proven, but the emotional side of that we live in different securities. The emotional side of insecurity I know because nobody can touch it, can see it, but it's more damaging. So I have a problem with zonke izinto zibhekwe on that scale of ukuthi lo oseke emotional kakhulu without we get the root problem. What is really the problem? So that's just what's burning me.
Wait, so the assumption is lo ochithile uyenze intentional.
Uyenze intentional. You said everything you do is a decision. You might say God, you might say it's a decision.
But that choice can be driven by different things than it, but an intent to cause harm to someone. Because umuntu yakwazi ukucheata musa out of last.
Yes.
So maso uthi wena bekuyi intent and abantu abaningi banama baya understand ama consequences. Phela debate boys sizama ukclarify point yakho so that sizo understandana ngithi.
Yes.
Angithi.
Yes.
But okay, clarify lo part ngiyeke ke.
Okay, ngithi
Sondele mic.
Sisonke emhlabeni. Yes. There's billions and billions of people ukhethe ukuzwana nomuntu wabana agreement naye.
Yeah.
So for whatever reason there are ezinye ibhalwa phansi ama contracts. Phithi uthi ezinye lezi ezi emotional ayibhalwa phansi. Besides umshado. Uvumelene nalomuntu. My brother, umsuvumelene nomuntu, you can't just switch and change just because when you are with angeke ngiluze imali, angeke ngiluze ini. The only person that stands to lose ulo muntu o riskile. It's a risk ngana insurance ukuthanda yabo. It's a risk ngana insurance. Kodwa ama repercussions akhona aphuma azabe physical. So you discounting the emotional side of it, yazi ukuthi the physical side of it, you will never ever win it without taking the emotional side of it.
So I'm not arguing your point, but I want you to to understand ukuthi your claim has in a basic assumption ekumele uqale clarify before you make the point. Because assume ukuthi sonke we are masingena kuma relationship, we've already made ama commitment, we understand the level of commitment we make ngokungena nje kwi relationship. That's the first assumption you make. Yabo ukuthi umuntu mengena nje kwi relationship they fully understand ukuthi it's a contract. Ekazi mfethu
which akukho njalo.
Akukho nje kunabantu abashaya nayo manje. Umuntu ahamba yoshawa futhi. Like they abanye bakuma situationship njengoba ngikhuluma namusi kunabantu abawu2 omunye kwi relationship omunye kwi situationship. It's one thing iyenze bakwinte omunye ucabanga ukuthi siyajola omunye uyazi ukuthi hayi la. Do you understand? So when umuntu wenza assumption ukuthi si understand the contract when agreement, then the point becomes but clarify that and then make your point because your point is powerful.
For me wonke umuntu understand, but umuntu because of lust they choose to be an idiot. Wethu uyamazi umuntu omthandayo, nawe uyambona umuntu omthandayo, but because of lust you are choose ukuignore izinto just because ufuna lapho. Lethe ngisho ukuthi the emotional side of it umuzo discount ungazoyilwa yona. The physical side ukuthi uzunyobhebhana nomuntu ngeke uzuyile mukwazi ucontrol last the emotional side of it
Ahlanje
Ashawuselene.
yabo umuntu lokudila with the last which is the emotional side and the sensory side of things. Obviously umuzogcina ke uya physical nzola izogcina izifike lapho.
Yeah, but the point you're making is very powerful. Especially the emotional side. I mean, I think even when it comes to the Lord doesn't deal with the emotional side.
it doesn't account for you.
And that's where most of us get damaged compared. You know, the emotional. Because ining labantu limala kakhulu lapha and recover ining lab. You know, it's really powerful what you just
There are big consequences there.
Yeah.
My emotion, but it's not accounted for.
Yeah.
Cool.
Anyway, it's not.
Yeah.
And olimalayo what anything kumele si understand. Olimala kakhulu ulo okuyena oqhamuke nento. Whatever lensweni inhlanganisile. Yabo lo uyena oqhamuka ne-idea. Bese lo munye ayivuma because of iqhamuke. Ngicabanga ukuthi iyona. Mase ihambe ibam no akuyona. Bese uyaqhemeka. Injalo phela.
Yeah, phela wena idea ngithi wena sacrifice into eningi.
Exactly. So ingakho uqhemeka wena ngoba lo uyena
ipicture kuyena ayike sacrifice.
Akayiboni division ona.
Ukakekho lapho wena omlandayo lapho.
Musa kodwa ngifuna uyivaleke ipoint yakho manje. Convert it now and use it to educate umuntu obuka i-podcast ozoqala i-relationship ukuthi understand that there's an emotional contract there.
Yeah.
And inama severe consequences. Yeah. Ivale kanjalo ungayishiyi.
Ukwenza ungaphindi
ufundisa ke
urepay kuwo.
Yeah.
siya kanjani ke lo
Just khulumi kanjalo nje.
Yeah, but yeah, convert it to that now. Convert it to someone ongakaze angene so that ezo understand ukuthi masingene emjolweni kune contract nama emotions phakathi. And at all times you must always be considerate omunye umuntu. Even noma isi last isithi hayi ushebheri ngamshayisa ngeke sibanjwe.
yeah ngoba phela uyazi bra ukuthi unabantu esibathandayo nabo bathanda abantu ba
Angazi ngicabange about teaching ukuthi kanjani, but ngisho ukuthi if you can see the problem as umuntu you should be able to gauge na ukuthi iphi indlela right okuhamba. Because telling people ngathi I don't have indlela to put it out to people say babe kanje when you get into a relationship because ngene indlela engafana ama relationship nathi abangena ama relationship ema-clubini kuna abantu emasontweni kuna abantu ntshela igore esontweni manje bese indlela bezotana ama relationship
Indlela kusho indlela lisipina kahle lisiphenduka ngathi spin the board lispina kanje libheka mina no.
it's so hard to feel it manje
Awicala nami sengakhuluma indaba zami ku-podcast amajita ngijaka ngazo.
Bete balekile bese lento besisho eqaleni sakusho la eqaleni saqala ukuthi it's very important ukuthi umuntu no kumele wazi ukuthi umuntu is a different entity on their own.
Yeah.
At all times umuntu nje besho shepherd ukuthi umuntu face you don't ever think you own a person.
Yeah.
Noma kuthiwa ingane umuntu nje ezaliwe ephume njengawuphumile emhlabeni yazi ukuthi that's a separate entity eyodwa nje zama wonke indlela ukuthi whatever you expect or do with them leave that room ukuthi nje usazophinde uhlale wena if wena kwenzeka lokho pray to God you're one of the blessed ones emhlabeni.
Hey, thank you much.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you much.
Phinde futhi ingane zakithi phinde understand ukuthi mawusungqubuzekile awudili nawe msalofu uzithole understand bese ukwazi ukuthi ube aware of certain things masezenzeka kuwena yonke into isuke ikhala kuwena i-decision yakho na usuyithathile ukuthi ufuna ukuqala something else nomunye umuntu so ungabeke futhi leyo decision usuyithatha usuyibeka ezandleni zakhe because kusasa masengenzi ngalendlela wena ongene ngayo wena futhi usala unokhe so zibeke nizithole niziqalaze nizifune bafethu danko
Chapiri vethu awusinikeze advice.
Hey, anginayo advice.
Yabaleka ngifuna ukubuyisela ngokuza kaze kuqale
Umjolo wow. Yeah, mina
no Chapiri ngeke vethu ukhuluma namadida wena wasasha no vethu Chapiri
lobola walo unqualified
no khulunywa nge-relationship
Chapiri ngeke
nani awula
mjida nangu yabo
hayi uthi nje mina mfethu hey hayi mfethu angifuni
uthoba ukuthi sijampile emjideni nangu friend handed vethu
hey mfethu ayeke into zonke
enze njani
khamba
right handed
let's see mfethu you just need to walk away but I think right now doc we need to stop lying to ourselves and understand what time is it right now it's very important especially ngama arts because I think a lot of machita they are very naive they don't understand ukuthi games yashintsha kakhulu I mean the world has changed completely. And the type of women that we are dealing with, ayifana nalaba abazali bethu nosisi bethu nobani bala abadala bethu sibaziyo kuhlukile manje yabo. And so it's very important like you being self-aware and investing more in yourself bro especially mentally because we're dealing with so many forces yabona if awukho strong mentally chief hayi bana izokuvithiza itheke nebrazo uzoyihenga. You know, and you end up be reactionary, react. So, izinto mfethu ibaleka kakhulu ukuthi siyitrain mfethu ngamachita, especially mentally. Invest more in your mental. Ukuthi ube strong mentally because whether you like it or not, bro, you can do things, bro, for umuntu mentally yonke into mfethu. Wenze konke right, may decide nje ukuthi uzofbhema, dog uzofbhema. Yabo. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. If we nature yakhe lento yokumashisa uzomashisa chief ukwenza konke phethe hamba ngelembe kwenza konke good guy good couple nekerki uyachima bro everything niyafanelana triple goals yonke into i-right man of God yafana chief. What I'm trying to say is if investor kuwe chief because when isikhathi esinjalo sifika siyakubuza ukuthi ugcine kanani whether you like it or not bro everybody's going to face that wonke umuntu bethu uyayiface lampahla but kuya kuwena ukuthi uzoreact kanjani iningi la yofowethu alikho strong livele react yabo yenza izinto but at the end of the day lethi ngihlezi ngikhuluma mina mfethu ukuthi konke mfethu wena obalekile brazo you know umuntu mfethu mezenzela into yakhe make sure ukuthi you don't lose yourself come back and then build yourself up to become better because ekugcineni mfethu all you have. So if manje uzovumela umunye umuntu ukuthi abe nepower yokuthi uzungadli nokudla mfethu uzaca uphele yes asifani mfethu izinto must-deal nazo ngendlela engafani but at the end of the day impilo kumele iqhubeke you can't give someone else that much power ngempilo yakho yabo. So nje mfethu mina angikhulumi ngoba ngiexpect le nombolo nami mfethu ngishayekile brazo ngacishe ngafuna ukuyibulala ngenxa umuntu esimanga yayibona because mfethu iyafika la nto yabo la mpahla ifana njenge wave especially if you're not strong enough you know you can really take out your life just because somebody disappointed you omthanda and then you think that now this is the only way yabo ukuthi ayivela ngisafanele ukuphila kanti cha ingenxa yokuthi awukadili now. You haven't built enough capacity in you to stand anything. Yeah, well, because that's why I'm always grateful for Lama breaks up. abo engadlula kuona mina ukuthi angibuild that chief indlela ukuthi I had to make sure ukuthi kuse angikwazi ukuba wiki kanje nxa into esimama sengizohayiza manje sicala no something is not right somewhere. So I had to go back and dig deep, and I realized that no, man, there was a piece that was missing in my life that even I got, I deal now. So I had to find out what is it that I need to deal with so that I can be enough and be aware with anybody that leaves me. It's okay.
Sure.
So now I can't just hold on now as if like, So, hey, inzima yona but ke uyadila nawo uma umuntu mfethu odile nawe eqala yabo because iningi lethu mfethu sizashawa nje mfethu ukuthi asizazi and you haven't taken time to even understand yourself ukuthi do you really love yourself because kathi neyiningi mfethu singena kulama relationship asiyithandi kwathi mfethu yabo so nje kuba nzima noma umunye umuntu mfethu esekutshela ukuthi no sengigrade ngawo because now you unaleyanto ukuthi how kanjani yabo something is wrong with me or no but it's like you haven't done the work where you really need to start invest more in yourself and loving yourself and just be by yourself kungamawuthi uthakwazi ukuhlala odwa jo mshithe ungakazi nje mfethu abe yedwa nje yabo like nje ungakazi nje mfethu ukuthi nje ukunje ube wedwa nje for months nje mfethu ungekho ku relationship or whatever just be by yourself. There's so much work, bro, that gets to be done if you're wet of it. Yabo le season le ana phethe kuba wet mina mfethu ngiya-appreciate good more than anything because you learn a lot of things about yourself and uyaphoqeleka ukuthi kumele mfethu ufunde ngawe kumele ukhule because isona sikhathi ozokhula ngaso because that's why sometimes ugcine kumele ugqemeke ukuze ukwazi ukuba kuleyo season labo
Yafethu abantu abafunda ukuhlala bodwa bethu.
Yebo.
Awuziphi isikhathi? Mhlambe nje uvela usethi time aka 10 minutes ukuhlale nje stick. Ungacofa ifone ungenzi ifocall. Just for 10 minutes ungenzi ifocall ukubhoreke nje. Khuleke. Ukujwayela ukuba hayi ukuthi every time ama out phone thekeni yini 1 man.
Ucabanga.
Mfethu uyicabanga uyacabanga
Uyabuza kusemanje ucabanga ngabe ngicabanga.
Ngicabanga. Danke mashiti. Hayi mashe kakhulu. Shout out siyabonga bafethu. Hayifu ibuke wazi wafika la. Awuphakamisi lokhu nje faka i-emoji kaShepard lapha. Faka i-purple heart. Sobona ngomuntu ofaka i-purple heart ukuthi hayi ufike egcine imashe kakhulu. Bra wethu uzoshada.
Danke mashiti.
Inhlambe mina ithuka la.